In a deeply disturbing incident in Bhubaneswar, an army officer and his fiancée were allegedly subjected to brutal custodial torture at the Bharatpur police station. The couple, who had gone to file a complaint after being attacked by miscreants on 14 September, were reportedly assaulted by the police. The woman has alleged sexual assault and torture at the hands of police officers. The Odisha government, under mounting public outrage, has suspended 5 police personnel involved and ordered a judicial inquiry. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has appointed Justice Chittaranjan Das to lead the investigation, which is expected to conclude in 60 days. The case has also been referred to the crime branch for further scrutiny. Political unrest is growing, with the BJD party calling for a 6-hour Bandh in Bhubaneswar tomorrow in protest of the horrific incident. Emergency services will be exempt from the shutdown.
कोई हेल्प की नहीं, उल्टा मेरे साथ गाली गलौज की। जब मैंने उनको बताने की कोशिश की कि मैं एक लॉयर हूँ और उनका बनता है इस टाइम पे FIR लिखना, ये उनकी ड्यूटी है, तो उन्होंने मुझ पे और गुस्सा किया। थोड़ी देर बाद जब एक पेट्रोल गाड़ी आई, उसमें से और फीमेल ऑफिसर्स और बाकी मेल ऑफिसर्स आए। उन्होंने गुरुवंश को अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया था कंप्लेंट लिखने का, बट उतने में ही उन्होंने पता नहीं क्यों उसको कस्टडी में डाला। फिर मैंने उनसे वापस रिक्वेस्ट किया और बोला कि आप एक आर्मी ऑफिसर को नहीं डाल सकते हैं कस्टडी में, ये अनलॉफुल है, आप नहीं कर सकते ऐसा।
Gentlemen, this is an ugly episode that has besmirched both the army and the police. But at its core, it has a woman's dignity and safety at stake, especially in a space where she's supposed to be the safest. How did the system fail her?
Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi on Sunday ordered a judicial inquiry into the alleged sexual and physical assault of an army officer and his fiancée at Bhubaneswar's Bharatpur police station. The incident occurred when they had gone to lodge a complaint against miscreants who had waylaid them when they were returning home in Bhubaneswar on the 14th of September. A post on X, formerly known as Twitter, by Odisha Chief Minister's office handle said, and I quote, "The said inquiry will be conducted by Judge Justice Chittaranjan Das. The Honourable Commission has been requested to submit its report within 60 days. The post further added that it is worth noting that the Chief Minister has laid maximum emphasis on the rule of law. Along with this, the state government has also respect for the Indian Army. The state government is fully concerned about the dignity, safety and the rights of women." The Odisha CM on Sunday ordered a judicial inquiry into the alleged sexual and physical assault of an army officer and his fiancée at Bhubaneswar's Bharatpur police station. Other leaders like RJD leader Manoj Jha has also spoken.
The government has emphasized its commitment to upholding the dignity of women and has promised strict action against those found guilty. Meanwhile, the army has also been closely monitoring the case and providing support to the victims. Stay tuned for more updates as this investigation unfolds. This case has ignited widespread outrage and brought significant attention to police conduct in Odisha.